Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. Today, we're about to reveal something so incredible that you won't be able to take your eyes off it. This is not just any campervan, it's a statement of luxury, power, and modern engineering. And if you enjoy our videos, make sure to hit the like button. Let us know in the comments what you think about our content because we truly value your opinions and love reading your comments. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Iveco-Based Luxury Campervan, a vehicle that redefines what a high-end camper should look like. The first impression. Absolutely stunning. This isn't just another van, it's a head-turner with a bold and aggressive design that immediately captures attention. With cutting-edge aerodynamics and premium materials, this camper is built to impress. Starting with the front design, it's nothing like a typical campervan. The LED headlights are sleek, sharp, and equipped with an intelligent lighting system, adjusting automatically based on driving conditions. The chrome grille with the newly designed Iveco badge adds to the premium feel, making sure this camper stands out wherever it goes. Moving to the side profile, the design is seamless. The extended wheelbase and well-defined body lines give it an authoritative presence on the road. The alloy wheels not only enhance the vehicle's performance but also add a touch of sophistication. One of the most remarkable features here is the automatic retractable step. The moment you open the door, the step extends automatically, making entry and exit effortless. This is a feature usually seen in high-end motorhomes, but Iveco has made sure it's available in this campervan too. Now, let's talk about the rear end. This campervan features a modern aerodynamic tail design. The sleek LED taillights and redesigned rear bumper give it a dynamic and futuristic look. A full-sized spare wheel is also mounted at the back, ensuring you're always prepared for long-distance adventures. But it's not just about looks. This camper is built for performance too. The elevated ground clearance ensures smooth driving on any terrain, whether it's a highway or an off-road trail. And thanks to its advanced suspension system, the ride remains stable and comfortable no matter where you go. This luxury campervan is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a statement that you value comfort, performance, and style in every journey you take. So, what do you think about the 2025 Iveco-based luxury campervan? Let us know in the comments. We truly appreciate your feedback and love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.